Welcome back to Reviews with Brett. Today I'm going to show you the 2 top spices that you need if you're cooking wild game for meat and more. So let's get started. So when it comes to cooking meat, like elk back straps, deer tenderloin, deer steaks, even those speed goats called antelopes, or even if you're just some person who goes to the store and buys a beef steak of any sorts, there's one spice that just tops them all that has to go on any piece of meat that I cook from now on. And that is Hatchet Jacks by Meateater. This stuff is amazing. It is the best spice for meat that I've ever tried. Now, I had some friends in here that were from out of state a few months ago. They tried this on deer tenderloins and deer backstrap. They loved it. So if you're into wild game, making steaks, backstraps and whatnot, this is what you need, Hatchet Jacks. Just hands down, you cannot beat it. I don't care who you are. If you're a Michelin chef and you say you make the best steak in the world and this isn't on there, it's a step below any just normal person making a steak at home, because they use this and that Michelin chef didn't. So you can get Hatchet Jacks at meateater.com if you do not have this local. It is great. And just to let you know, I'm not sponsored, and I have all this because spices do end up being discontinued by any company. If it doesn't sell or it's too expensive to make, they discontinue it. So when I find something that's really good, I stock up. So if I was you and you like cooking wild game, deer steaks, elk steaks, backstrap, whatnot, get Hatchet Jacks today from meateater.com. Now for the second spice. Now this is a different type of wild game. This is for like frog legs, fish, alligator, turtle, shrimp, all that other kind of stuff, crawfish, you name it. And it's actually really good on vegetables too. And that is Phil Robertson's Cajun Style Original, the mild flavor. Man, for years we have bought this. We bought this way back in the day when they had different containers. And I use it for frog legs, fish, things like that. It's my #1 go-to, no matter what. Everything else is either too spicy, too sweet, or too salty. I want something that's just perfect. Now, if you are a person who likes a little bit spicier, they do make a spicy blend. But my wife, she puts this on asparagus, corn, mashed potatoes and gravy, all that other stuff that she deals with. But I always use this. It's a good, solid flavor. Phil Robertson, he was known as a person who preached God's word, who loved to hunt and fish, but he could cook, and man, did he make an amazing spice. So you're probably asking yourself, well, why I have so much of this? Now, I needed to order more. So what I did is I went to duckcommander.com, and it wasn't listed. All they had was all the other spices, so I found a place on Amazon that sold it for a decent price. So I stocked up because I need this on standby all the time. Whether I'm making something or my wife is making something, we have to have this on standby. Now, I know now that Duck Commander is coming back out with it, if it's not already out, with a whole different label. And if they don't have it out or they're out of stock, Amazon does sell it. So there it is, the 2 best spices that you need to have for cooking wild game and whatever else. I hope this video helped you guys out. Please give this video a like, give the channel a subscribe. It really does help out over here. And I am grateful and blessed for every one of you who are watching, and the people who aren't watching, oh, they have a blessed day too. So until next time, God bless you and have a great day.